Once upon a time, in a house filled with love, lived a cute and cuddly Labrador Retriever named Max. Max was known for his playful nature and friendly demeanor. One sunny afternoon, Max saw a butterfly fluttering around the garden. He wagged his tail and decided to go for a chase. With a bound, Max leaped into the garden, his eyes fixed on the butterfly. He ran and leaped, but the butterfly fluttered away, just out of his reach. Max didn't give up. He ran faster, jumped higher, and swerved to the left and right. His playful heart was full of determination. Suddenly, Max saw a pond in the distance. The butterfly landed on a lily pad. Max's tail wagged even faster. "I've got you now," he thought. But as he approached the pond, he realized he couldn't swim. Max had never been in water before. He looked around, scared but determined. Just then, a friendly old duck waddled up to Max. "Don't worry, Max," said the duck. "I'll help you catch that butterfly." The duck paddled Max across the pond, and together they reached the lily pad. Max jumped up and caught the butterfly in his mouth. Max was so happy. He wagged his tail and thanked the duck. "You're a great friend," said Max. "I couldn't have done it without you." From that day on, Max and the duck became the best of friends. Max learned that sometimes, it takes a little help from our friends to achieve our goals. And every night, Max would lie down by the fire, his tail wagging, telling the story of the day's adventure. The end.